Hi, I'm Renan. I'm a business intelligence consultant from Brazil. I work with Power BI, Microsoft Fabric, SQL, and data automation. My focus is simple: turning complex data into clear insights and confident decisions. I deliver Power BI solutions in both public and private organizations, and I am a Microsoft Quick Viz Challenge winner recognized for storytelling, creativity, and technical excellence in data visualization. My availability is exclusively outside Brazilian business hours, so I can support clients in North America and Europe during their regular workday. Here on Upwork, I'm focused on building strong long-term partnerships with clear communication, attention to detail, and high quality delivery from day one. If you need support with dashboards, data modeling, SQL optimization, or full BI solutions, I'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to working with you.